The text may overflow from the widgets like containers, cards, etc. The text widget has a property overflow to handle the overflow text in Android, iOS, web, desktop applications. Overflow property has multiple parameters like clip, ellipsis, fade, visible, etc. Each has different functions to handle the text. This example shows how to display text using the text widget with the overflow set to textOverflow.ellipsis. Here soft wrapping is disabled with soft wrap, false, and the text widget attempts to display its text in a single unbroken line. The result is that the single line overflows and the fade appears in a vertical direction at the right. Using the text.rich constructor, the text widget can display a paragraph with differently styled text spans. The sample that follows displays "Hello beautiful world" with different styles for each word. Now in style parameter pass text style constructor in. Font size, font weight, ladder spacing, color, font style. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.